Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating a solar system, something like this. So what you'll need for this lesson is a hot glue gun and a hot glue stick, black and white pieces of paper, a white crayon, a pencil, scissors, and paintbrush. Also, you'll be needing some paints. That's all you need. Let's begin. On the white piece of paper, you draw your planets and however many you want. That's what I did. Now you can pick whatever colors you want for the planet. I choose those colors. So I filled in my blue square. Now I'm getting a bit of orange and trying to just shade it in, and also a bit of green. Oh, that's looking bad. I'm gonna just try to fix it up. That is my finished product of that one. I fixed it up a lot, but now it's a bit less blue. Now I'm painting the pink one. So for the bottom one, the uglier one, I'm still trying to fix it. It's okay for me, but it's a bit, yeah. But yeah, I think it's okay, as you can. But I'm filling up my pink one right now. In case you haven't noticed yet, I'm wearing a lot of rubber bands on one of my hands. I don't know why I do that. I just do it in case one of my friends need it or I need it. I just do that. I don't know why I wear so much though. And I'm also wearing a watch on that wrist too. But on my other wrist, I'm wearing 2 bracelets. So also, my nails, as you can see, they're very bad. But yeah, let's just not mind that, okay? I'm finishing up my pink planet. And my other one, my green one, it's still a bit bad, as I told you before, but we'll deal with it. Now I'm shading in some purple to it, trying to make it more, like, a bit more pretty. Now, adding a lot of purple, but it's gonna be okay. Now I'm adding blue, interesting, and purple. Now I'm losing my pink. Put some more pink in there. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm just gonna mix it all around, put some more blue, and put some more purple, put some more pink. So you can see I messed up a little bit, but it's okay if you get out of the lines a little bit. But yeah, I'm still doing it, putting a bit more pink, just shading it. I dropped a little bit. Am I gonna wipe it up? Am I gonna notice? Am I? Yeah, I probably will notice later. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep on mixing. Right now, I lost some of my pink, so I needed to pour it in some more. But that's what the weight is taking so much. And it took me a while to open up the lid. I don't know why I'm jinxed that way, but I'm pouring it in now. Oh yeah, now I need some more purple, light purple for my planet. It was too big, so I had to just shrink it. So this is me shrinking it, fanning out all that stuff that leaves behind an eraser. What do you call that? I don't know. But yeah, I'm still doing that. Okay, circling it, making it better. Now it's purple. Okay, putting it, I think this is my dark purple. Yeah, it's my dark purple, right? Yeah, so I'm using dark purple for this planet, so it's going to be a bit different than the rest. So yeah, keep on adding it, keep on adding, until it's beautiful. So yeah, I messed up right there. Do I notice that? So I am talking over myself right now, so you can't hear what I'm saying right then, but yeah. See here. Keep on doing the edges. I'm still going. I guess I was putting more pink and purple while that wait tan, probably more dark purple since I didn't have dark purple in my container at first. So I need to put that in. Okay, I'm still putting it in. I'm doing it. I'm putting in some more purple. Doing the edges now, trying to clean up all those edges. Cleaning them up. Now, I'm still cleaning them a little bit. Now this is getting a bit glistening. You can see that the sides are glistening a little bit. Okay, now I just ruined that. Well, there's still a little bit some. Okay, and I'm gonna just finish up that purple. Alrighty. So while your planets are drying, you can grab your black piece of paper and just sprinkle stars all over it like that until you get however many stars you want. So if you don't want to get your finger messy, you can put on a glove or something. But yeah, you just pull back and let go. Pull back, let go. And you can do it as fast as you want and wherever you want. But yeah, okay, you just keep on flicking and flicking it, flicking it. This is fast forwarding. That's why it's all, now, crazy. It was not crazy, but like, yeah. But like, it's going faster than usual. But yeah, it might like mess up. You can do. So I'm painting the rainbow around this, and before I just showed you because I was fast forwarding this, I was talking, and so that's just like a little voice. Okay, I messed up. I was putting yellow, but it's supposed to be orange. It's like I don't know this planet. So yeah, I'm just doing, you can see that a curve and straight line, then curve back. And so, yeah, I'm just doing that. Now next is orange. I'm just kind of loop it around, but I'm going to do it on the outside. Keep on doing it and doing it. This is supposed to be fast forwarding, but it doesn't seem that fast to me. Okay, next is yellow. This yellow is pretty neon, and it doesn't really cover that good. You'll see in a second. Well, you already are seeing, I guess. But yeah, it doesn't cover that good, but yeah. Okay, keep on going. Okay, this is the, the yellow is really big, and it's covering up the orange. That's a problem. But as you can see, I put my planet too close to the edge of the paper, so you can use 2 pieces of paper if you want to. I just did 1, but yeah. Okay, keep on doing that. Next color I'm doing is green. Gonna do my green. Okay, gonna just circle it. And now, okay, this is just looking bad. Okay, gonna keep on doing my green. No worries, it looks okay. I'm not the best artist in the world. I'm not. Okay, I am actually pretty the worst. So yeah, well, I'm not as bad as a baby. No offense to the babies, but at least I'm okay. But yeah, keep on doing it. Here's one thing about your work: always have pride in it, unless you didn't try at all. And yeah, but so I'm actually pretty happy with what I did. Oop, I dripped that. So after you're doing all those colors, red, orange, yellow, and green, my water got a bit dirty that I was using, so that's what happened right there. Did I notice? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on going. Oh, it's touching the other planet. That's yikes. Yeah, I ended too close to the paper. That's why you can use 2 pieces of paper. I already told you that. But yeah, okay. I'm going for purple, right? Yep. I'm going for purple next. So my favorite colors is light pink and light purple and light blue. But my favorite color is light purple. Yeah, I already told you that though, but I don't know what else to say. But yeah, okay, gonna keep on doing that motion. You see what the rings look like? It actually looks okay. But yeah, okay, gonna keep on doing that. What am I doing right now? Oh yeah, I'm doing that side. So I forgot to use my camera, put it over there, but I'm doing the rings on that side. I'm doing it lower because of that. So yeah, they're going to be blue. I wonder when I'm going to notice. Okay, going to keep on doing that. It's going on the other side too, but you can't see it. When am I going to notice? But yeah, it's a bit shaky right there, honestly. Okay, it definitely needs to be a bit thicker. What am I doing? Am I messing up? When am I gonna? I know I eventually figure out what I'm doing. I don't know when it is though. So, oh, I had green. Oh, you're putting green in. I don't know what I thought. Okay, I'm gonna put some green in it. That means I still haven't noticed. Oh, yep, I noticed now. I noticed it. What am I doing? Okay, now, see, I put my green in, my blue in. Okay, gonna just, what color? Oh, I put in purple in now. But this is light purple, not like the planet. Oh yeah, also, I put a bit of orange inside my purple planet. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay, gonna keep on doing that, and that, and that. And I'm doing a little dabba motion. Dabba. Okay, now I'm just keep on going like that. Okay, and that looks pretty good. Good job, me. Okay, now I have to cut the planets. So also you notice that I put gold dots in them, and how you get the holes in the rings. What I did, I just put my finger through it and then I cut the inside of the ring. Okay, I got them all cut out. Okay, now I'm going to position them into whatever way I want. I'm going to put that one up there, and then I am going to put the pink one right there. Okay, no, I need to move that a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now you have to hot glue them. Okay, now with a white crayon, you can name your planets and your galaxy. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.